Hello everyone. So today we will do the second part of the electrical circuit, which will be important for our upcoming exams. Okay, like TFCCIL and RSEB and other state exams, and also for the next SSC JE exams. So I uploaded already the first lecture of that electrical circuit. Now this is the second of the electrical circuit. So the question is that the two voltage sources of 12 volt, each of which can be loaded up to 10 ampere, are connected in parallel. Which of the following statements about the circuit is true? Okay, you know very well that the voltage is same in the two parallel circuit. Okay, voltage same होते हैं दो parallel circuit में. So I will do in this lecture also in English. Okay, because SSC is for all students from India, south, north. And the options are: the total voltage is 24 volt, the total voltage is 0, the arrangement can be loaded up to 10 ampere maximum, yeah, the voltage sources connected in parallel can supply a maximum current of 20 ampere. So option number 4 is the right answer, because we know that parallel have same voltage source. Okay, so the voltage is not added. Okay, 12 volts, so 12 volt is here and 12 volt is here. Okay, only the current will be added. If one has source have 10 ampere, then it have also 10 ampere, then it will become the 20 ampere. Okay, the next question is that the value of current flowing between points B and C in the circuit shown below. Okay, so you can see that circuit, this circuit is looks like a bead stone bridge. Okay, because all branch bridges have same resistance. ठीक है, 2 ohm 2 ohm 2 ohm 2 ohm, and here is nothing. Okay, so it's an example of bead stone bridge, so we have to neglect that thing. Okay, so the current flowing between B and C is 0. Okay, 0 is the answer of this question. Next question, you can see, यू कैन एक बार और बताऊं कि बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन आते हैं एसएससी में या फिर किसी भी जूनियर इंजीनियर एग्जाम्स में, आप देख सकते हैं फॉर ओनली इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट. ओके, कहीं कहीं डिफिकल्टीज आती हैं, सो लिटिल लिटिल डिफिकल्टीज यू हैव टू बी फेस्ड इन लाइक मेजरमेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड सम पावर सिस्टम क्वेश्चन और सम डिप्लोमा लेवल क्वेश्चन. ओके, बाकी बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर आई टुक फ्रॉम एसएससी ओनली, एंड प्रीवियस ईयर वी आर डूइंग others JE and AE question papers. Okay, determine the equivalent capacitance in of the given electrical network. You know very well this is in series, it means it works as a reciprocal of resistance. Okay, for series 1 upon C equivalent, you have to find 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 40. These all are in series. Okay, after that this is in parallel. Okay, then in parallel capacitance will added. Now this question, determine the separation between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor placed in air. When the area of plates is 0.002 square meter, the voltage of the battery connected to this parallel plate capacitor is 4 volt and the charge stored on the plates is 16 picocoulomb. Okay, what they are giving, um, area of the plates, voltage, okay, and the charge store. You know very well the formula. The if separation will be coming in the formula C equals to epsilon A upon D. Okay, तो पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर की बात आती है तो हम जानते हैं फॉर्मूले C equals to epsilon A upon D, जहां पर हम सेपरेशन और एरिया की भी बात करते हैं विथ परमिटिविटी. ओके, So we have to find the first C value, and it means capacitance value. So Q equals to CV and C equals to Q upon B. So we will get the value of C. Now after that we have to find the value of D. Okay, so D equals to epsilon A upon C. Epsilon value is 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, you will get the answer 4.4. एक बात और कि ये जो सीरीज होगी बहुत छोटे छोटे इंटरवल्स की है, ठीक है, लाइक 14 मिनट्स, 10 मिनट्स, 15 मिनट्स, बट क्वेश्चन आर ओके. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस फॉर नेक्स्ट एसएससी या फिर नेक्स्ट जूनियर इंजीनियर और असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर एग्जाम्स. So determine the power delivered by the current source to the given electrical circuits. Okay, we have to find the power, and where we have to find uh, across the current source. Okay, so this is the circuit, and we can convert this circuit into this one. Okay, why? Is 4 and 6 are in series, so 10 ohm is there, 10 and 3 ohm are in parallel, so 2.3 is there. Okay, and 2 and 2.3 are in series, so 4.3 is there. Then we know that P equals to I square R, so I is our 5 ampere, so 25 into 4.3 is 107.5. So 107.5 is the answer. Next question, what will be the value of the current I5 for the given network? Okay, so where is the I5? There. Okay, now we have to find the I4 before. Okay, so I4 is the, for these all are incoming current. You can see 5 ampere, 2 ampere and 4 ampere. So it becomes the I4 becomes 11 ampere. Okay, so I4 is now I6 plus I5 plus I7 plus I8, because these I4 is incoming at this node and all are outgoing currents. Okay, so I4 is 11 and we have to find the I5. I6 is already given, I7 is also, and I8 is also. So easily we will find the value of I5. Next question is that what will be the value of the current through 4 ohm resistor? Where is the 4 ohm? Here. If a source of 4 volt with internal resistance of 2 ohm, okay, it's connected at X or Y terminals. The question is saying if we connect the 4 volt 2 ohm, okay, internal resistance is there of that battery, it's connected, then what will be the value of current through 4 ohm? So here is the circuit. Okay, 4 volt, 2 and 4 ohm, 4 volt ki battery and 2 ohm. Okay, apply nodal analysis is here. Okay, how nodal analysis we can find? Then we have to find the value of B. So B upon 4 plus B minus 4 upon 2. Okay, this one, and B minus 4 upon 2, this one. Okay, so is equals to 0. Easily we find the value of voltage 3 volt. Now we have to find the current, then 3 upon 4 is our current, B upon R. So 0.75 is the answer. The questions are very simple. No need to tell the more basics and other things, any difficult task. So very simple practicing question जो गेट के लिए तैयार करता है उसके लिए तो बहुत ही सिंपल आपको लगेगा ये क्वेश्चंस. ओके, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट through the load resistance in the given circuit diagram. Okay, so this is the circuit. We have to convert this circuit into like these are voltage with series resistance, and we can convert this circuit into current with parallel resistance. Okay, now we can convert 10 ampere source current source, 2.5 ampere, 2.15, okay, 0.15, and 4 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel, this 4 ohm and 6 ohm. Now the current source become 10, 2.5 and 2.15. Now this is becomes 15 ampere because all current sources are added. Now 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 4 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel. Okay, it becomes 15 ampere and all parallel circuit become 4 by 7 and 6 ohm. 4 by 7 and 6 ohm, and we have to find the current across the RL, and this is the RL. So with the help of current transformation ratio, okay, I equals to 15 into 4 upon 7 upon 4 upon 7 plus 6, which will become the 1.3. Question says very simple, we have to find the current across the load resistance, and हम क्या कर सकते हैं, we can easily convert it into the current with parallel resistance, and our circuit becomes the very simple because we have to find the current. If we have to find the voltage, the simple circuit will remain there. Okay, other methods are also there by applying the Millman's theorem. Okay, because many voltage sources and resistance are there, so if we apply the Millman's theorem, finally we will get the impedance and resistance. Then across the RL we can find easily the current. You can solve by that method also. Determine the self-inductance of a 4-meter long air core solenoid if the solenoid has cross-sectional area of 0.02 square meter and has 60 turns. We know already the formula L equals to mu naught n square A upon L. Mu naught is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. N is our 60 and area is our 0.02 square meter and length is our 4 meter. Okay, so the formula is completed. L we will find the 0.023. Determine the Thevenin equivalent resistance across the terminal A and B for the electrical circuits given below. So very simple question. These all are in parallel, then one it equals to 1 ohm and 1 ohm is parallel with 1 ohm, then the circuit becomes 0.5. Determine the Norton resistances between A and B for the circuit given below. This question is also simple. This 3 ohm, 3 ohm in parallel with series with 3 ohm and also with series with 3 ohm. Then RTH will become the 4.8. Now determine the power by the current source given electrical circuit. We already did. This is like a first and second question. We have to solve only the circuit. This in series, this in parallel, and this is in series. We will already find the value of R equivalent here, and P equals to I square R. Okay, this is the question. What will be the value of current for the given electrical circuit? We have to find the current here. This is I. Now we can apply the nodal analysis here. So we can see B minus 60 upon 2 plus B by 6 plus B minus 30 upon 3, which is equals to 20. Now we can find the value of voltage after solving this. B equals to 60 volt. Now we have to find the current. I equals to 60 upon 6, which is equals to 10 ampere. Okay. Now last question is there for today's lecture. For the figure shown below, find the value of the conductance. Okay, conductance we know that this is a reciprocal of resistance, and resistance we know that R equals to B upon I. So conductance will become the I upon B. I is 2 ampere and current and voltage is 6. So 1 by 3 is equals to 0.33. Okay, so these are the question. One question is also remain. Okay, the question is that for the circuit shown below, what is the value of Thevenin equivalent voltage across the terminals A and B? This question is also simple. We have to find the ETH or BTH. So BTH is also is there across this. Apply the nodal analysis. You will get the BTH value is 30. So this is the last question of today's session. So in this video we saw that the questions are very simple. Okay, so you have to practice like SSC questions like other DMRC, LMRC, RSEB, DFCCIL, HPCL, NPCIL, step and trainee exams, uh, and other assistant engineer gate and ESC simples question, not tough questions. You can do practice for more junior engineer exams and assistant engineer exams, because in assistant engineer the level is up to the gate. Okay, and in a like UPPCL. Okay, so you have to practice the gate question also. Okay, from any big coaching is like okay, because they provide the best solution like Mediji. Okay, so these are the question. Keep practicing again and again for like for this electrical circuits, and one two more video for the electrical circuit I will give. Okay.